Let's practice determining whether a number is even or odd. Let's remind ourselves that for a number to be even, when we divide it by 2, we must get a number with no remainder. So in this case, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So 4 is even. Let's try a next one. Here's the number 7. If we take 7 and we divide it by 2, we would get 3.5. Here we have 3 with 0.5 of a remainder. That means that 7 is odd. Let's take a bigger number like 14. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7 with no remainder, which means that 14 is even. Let's take an even bigger number. Notice how the number ends in the same 4. If we take 104 and we divide it by 2, we will get 52. 52 with no remainder would mean that 104 is even. Are you noticing a pattern? Let's take an even bigger number, like 1004. Let's divide that by 2. We would get 502 with no remainder, which means that it would be even. If you haven't noticed already, there is a little trick. Any number that ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 will always be even, while any number that ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 will be odd. So now that we know that nifty trick, let's try to determine if a really large number like 76,454 is even or odd. So instead of dividing it by 2, let's take a look at the last digit. The last digit is 4, which is an even number, which means that this entire number is going to be an even number. Let's take a look at an even bigger number, like 1,000,001. Take a look at the last digit, 1. 1 is odd, so therefore 1,000,001 is an odd number.